इस वीडियो में मैं पटना के परफेक्शन आईएएस के टेस्ट 5 के इंग्लिश मीडियम के क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूं। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आने वाले बीपीएससी 68th पीटी एग्ज़ाम में आप सबको सफल बनाने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा मदद करेंगे। आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और यदि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, the central nodal agency for implementing price support operations for commercial crops is NAFED. Right option is A. NAFED means the National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited was established on 2nd October 1958. It is an apex agency of marketing cooperatives for agricultural produce in India. Next question, India has adopted the concept of GST from which of the following countries? France is the first country in the world where GST was implemented, although the provision of GST in India was taken from Canada. The goods and services tax, that means GST, is a Canadian origin value added tax imposed on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. This tax is being implemented in India to eliminate many indirect taxes. So right option is A, Canada. Next question, which of the following reports is not correctly matched? वर्ल्ड एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड सोशल आउटलुक, ये रिपोर्ट ILO यानी इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन द्वारा पब्लिश किया जाता है, ये करेक्टली मैच्ड है। ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी रिपोर्ट, ये IMF यानी इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड के द्वारा पब्लिश किया जाता है, ये भी सही है। ग्लोबल कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस इंडेक्स वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम के द्वारा पब्लिश किया जाता है, ये भी सही है। ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक प्रोस्पेक्टस, ये WTO के द्वारा नहीं, ये वर्ल्ड बैंक के द्वारा पब्लिश किया जाता है, सो ये करेक्टली मैच नहीं है, सो राइट ऑप्शन डी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द टाइम लिमिट ऑफ GI टैग? 10 ईयर्स इसका टाइम लिमिट है, 10 ईयर्स के बाद इसको रीन्यू किया जाता है, राइट ऑप्शन ए है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिसगाइज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इन इंडिया इज मेनली रिलेटेड टू? Disguised unemployment is found more in the agriculture sector, which is a part of the primary sector. This is due to the high pressure of population on the land. Due to lack of technological development, most of the population depends on agriculture. Therefore, more people than necessary are engaged in the same work, which becomes the cause of hidden unemployment. So, right option is from agriculture sector, from rural, 1 and 2. Right option is D. Next question, if a country has a negative balance of payments, then it will have to take help from which organization? International Monetary Fund. Right option is C. International Monetary Fund helps in correcting the balance of payments of the member countries. Next question, to whom was the Narsingham Committee of 1991 related to? Financial reform. Right option is D. At the time of economic crisis in 1991, Financial Sector Reforms Committee or Narsimhan Committee was formed to improve the financial sector in India. The committee submitted 2 reports in 1992 and 1998, which laid significant emphasis on enhancing the efficiency and viability of the banking sector. Next question, which of the following became the first state to have a railway track built on the PPP model? Gujarat. Right option is B. Approval for the construction of railway projects on the PPP model in India has been provided under the provision of Non-Government Railway Policy 2010. The first train in India on this model was launched on 14th July 2015 on the Gandhidham to Tuna Tekra rail line. Its length is 17 kilometers. Next question, according to the survey conducted between 2019 and 2020, what is the maternal mortality rate in India? 97. Right option is D. According to the Ministry of Health, the maternal mortality rate in India was 130 in 2015-16. It was 122 in 2016-17, 113 in 2017-18, and 103 in 2018-19. As per 2019-20, it has become 97. Next question, what type of tax system is found in India? Progressive. Right option is A. Income tax is imposed in India in a progressive manner. In this system, the tax rate becomes constant after a certain income level. एग्जाम्पल के रूप में हम देख सकते हैं कि 15 लाख से ज़्यादा यदि एनुअल इनकम है तो उस पर 30% इनकम टैक्स लगता है। 15 लाख है, 20 लाख है, 1 करोड़ है, 5 करोड़ है एंड मोर, उस पर 30 ही लगेगा, कांस्टेंट हो जाता है। और 2.5 लाख से नीचे कोई टैक्स नहीं लगता है। 2.5 लाख से ऊपर जैसे जैसे इनकम लेवल इंक्रीज करता है टैक्स का रेट इंक्रीज करता है, लेकिन सर्टेन इनकम लेवल के बाद में वो कांस्टेंट हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टैक्सेस वाज एबोलिश्ड बाय द जीएसटी। सर्विस टैक्स को एबोलिश कर दिया गया था जीएसटी आने से, राइट ऑप्शन ए होगा। GST will abolish all indirect taxes applicable in India. Service tax is an indirect tax, hence abolished all over India. Next question, excise duty is the charge on import of goods. No. Production of goods, production and sales of commodities. B and C दोनों ऑप्शन सही हो रहे हैं, सो राइट ऑप्शन ई होना चाहिए यहाँ पे। Under the Central Excise Act 1944 and Central Excise Tariff Act 1985, excise duty is mandatory on the production or sale of every item. It is 16% on most items but may be higher on other items. Next question, which of the following organization provides buffer stock finance facility? IMF, International Monetary Fund, right option is C. Next question, World Intellectual Property Day is observed on which of the following day? 26th April, right option is A. World Intellectual Property Day is celebrated every year on 26th April all over the world. World Intellectual Property Day is celebrated to raise awareness of the role of intellectual property rights in promoting innovation and creativity. Next question, the Department of Disinvestment DIPAM associated is with Ministry of Finance, no. Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Labor and Employment, no. Ministry of Finance के से एसोसिएटेड है, राइट ऑप्शन ई हो जाएगा, नन ऑफ दी एबव. The Department of Disinvestment was established on 10th December 1999 as a separate department. It comes under the Ministry of Finance. Next question, under which ministry does the Forward Markets Commission work? The Forward Market Commission regulates commodities in India. It was established in 1953. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. It functions under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions. Right option is C, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Next question, which body calculates the national income of the country? CSO, Central Statistics Office. Right option is B. Next question, which of the following is issued by the RBI to curb the lending powers of the banks? Open market operation. OMO, right option is B. Open market operation is called buying and selling of government securities. Next question, where is the Chief Directorate of Marketing and Inspection of the Ministry of Agriculture of India located? फरीदाबाद में लोकेटेड है, राइट ऑप्शन सी है. कब इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था? 1935 में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लेसेस कॉइन्स आर नॉट मिंटेड? तो कॉइन्स की मिंटिंग जो होती है हैदराबाद में, मुंबई में, नोएडा में, लेकिन देवास में नहीं. राइट ऑप्शन डी होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रिजर्व ट्रांच पोजीशन इज ए टर्म यूज टू रेफर टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड. राइट ऑप्शन इज डी. The difference between the holding of a member country's quota in IMF and the reserve currency of the country is the reserve tranche position of a country. Next question, which of the following commission is responsible for recommending minimum support prices for various commodities to the government? CACP, Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. Right option is B. Next question, which of the following system is maintained by the RBI against the printing of notes? Minimum reserve system. Right option is B. The minimum reserve system was adopted from 1956. Under this, the Reserve Bank has to maintain gold and foreign exchange reserves of rupees 2000 crore at all times, out of which there should be at least 115 crore of gold reserves. Next question, Pradhan Jan Dhan Yojana has been started to provide housing loan to the poor people at a relatively low rate of interest. नहीं, ये गलत है. To encourage self-help group of women in backward areas. No. To encourage financial inclusion of the country. Right option is C. To provide financial assistance to marginalized communities. No. Right option is C. Pradhan Jan Dhan Yojana is a national mission for financial inclusion in India, which aims to provide banking facilities to all households across the country and open a bank account for each household. Next question, Sabri Sankalp Abhiyan is related to National Nutrition Mission. Right option is D. Sabri Sankalp Abhiyan is related to National Nutrition Campaign. The objective of this scheme is to eliminate malnutrition. Next question, the retail prices of petrol and diesel in the country are determined by the public sector oil marketing companies on a daily basis. Right option is A. From June 16, 2017, the determination of retail prices of petrol and diesel in the country by public sector oil marketing companies started on a daily basis. Earlier, the retail prices of these two products were fixed twice every month. Next question, in the new GDP data, the base year has been changed from 2004-5 to 2011-12. Right option is A. Now instead the year 2004-5, the year 2011-12 has been considered as the base year in the measurement of national income. Along with this, in place of GDP, now GVA, that means gross value added, is calculated. Therefore, both the base year and the calculation method have been changed. Next question, which of the following states has the highest average per capita income? गोवा का पर कैपिटा इनकम हाईएस्ट है अकॉर्डिंग टू इकोनॉमिक सर्वे, इकोनॉमिक रिव्यू 2011-12. गोवा का पर कैपिटा इनकम है कितना? 4,35,959 रुपीज़. 4,35,959 रुपीज़. और सबसे लोवेस्ट कहाँ का है? बिहार का है. कितना? 45,071 रुपीज़. राइट ऑप्शन इज ए. Next question, the size of marginal holding in India is less than 1 hectare. Right option is D. ये बीपीएससी में पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है. According to the agricultural census 2015-16, the size of marginal holding in India is less than 1 hectare. The size of semi holding is 1 to 2 hectares. The size of semi medium holding is 2 to 4 hectares. The size of medium holding is 4 to 10 hectares, and the size of large holdings is 10 hectares or more. Next question, which of the following is the largest producer of fish in the world? China. China produces 36% of the total fish production of the world. Right option is B. Next question, the preferred variety of mango for export is Alfonso. Right option is C. Its major producing state is India is Maharashtra. Next question, which of the following iron and steel plants is not located on the river bank? तो भिलाई जो है ये छत्तीसगढ़ में है, छत्तीसगढ़ के दुर्ग डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. ये किसी भी रिवर बैंक पे नहीं है. राइट ऑप्शन ए होगा. बोकारो झारखंड में है और ये गरगा रिवर के बैंक पे है. जमशेदपुर ये भी झारखंड में है. ये है भद्रा एंड सुवर्णरेखा रिवर के कन्फ्लुएंस पे, यानी इनके संगम पे. और भद्रावती आयरन एंड स्टील प्लांट्स को विश्वेश्वरैया आयरन एंड स्टील प्लांट भी कहा जाता है और ये तमिलनाडु में है. और ये जो है भद्रा रिवर के बैंक पे है. बाबा बुदान जो हिल्स है उसी के पास में है भद्रा रिवर, उसी के बैंक पे है भद्रावती आयरन एंड स्टील प्लांट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ महारत्न कंपनीज इन इंडिया एट प्रेजेंट 2022? 12. Right option is A. Vale, GAIL, CIL, that means Coal India Limited, IOC, Indian Oil Corporation, NTPC, SAIL, ONGC, BPCL, HPCL, PGCIL, that means Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, PFC, Power Finance Corporation, and REC, Rural Electrification corporation. Next question. In which of the following states ideal conditions are found for petrochemical industries? Gujarat. Right option is A. The state of Gujarat from the point of view of petrochemical industry is a major state of the country. Khambat and Ankleshwar are important oil fields in Gujarat. While oil is obtained from places like Nagaon, Olpad, Dholka, Mehsana, Kalol, Kosamba, etc. Next question, the tertiary sector in India includes, tertiary sector means सर्विस सेक्टर, तो सर्विस सेक्टर में ट्रेड एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट आते हैं, फाइनेंस एंड रियल एस्टेट आते हैं, लेकिन फॉरेस्ट्री एंड फिशरीज नहीं आते हैं, तो 1 and 2 हो जाएगा, 1 and 2 नन ऑफ दी अबव, ई. Next question, which of the following is the correct decreasing sequence of contribution of different sector to the GDP of India? तो सबसे ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन है सर्विस सेक्टर का है अप्रॉक्स 53%, उसके बाद है इंडस्ट्री का 28.2%, उसके बाद है एग्रीकल्चर एंड एलाइड सेक्टर का 18.8%. सर्विस सेक्टर, इंडस्ट्री एंड एग्रीकल्चर, सर्विस सेक्टर, इंडस्ट्री एंड एग्रीकल्चर, राइट ऑप्शन डी होगा. सर्विस सेक्टर का कितना है 53%, इंडस्ट्री का 28.2%, एग्रीकल्चर एंड एलाइड सेक्टर का 18.8%. Next question, based on the recommendations of the 15th Finance Commission, the share of the total proceeds of federal taxes has been fixed for the allocation from the center to the states. 41% रिकमेंडेशन रहा है 15th फाइनेंस कमीशन का, और 14th फाइनेंस कमीशन का कितना रहा 42% रिकमेंडेशन था, राइट ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज बीन केप्ट विद इन द प्योर व्यू ऑफ GST गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स? GST से लीकर फॉर ह्यूमन कंजम्पशंस को बाहर रखा गया था, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को ही बाहर रखा गया था, पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स को भी बाहर रखा गया था, लेकिन ये था घी को इसके अंतर्गत रखा गया था. सो राइट ऑप्शन जो होगा वो डी होगा. GST कब से इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ था, ये BPSC में पूछा गया है, जुलाई 1, 2017 से. Next question, who among the following has the responsibility of preparing and publishing the economic survey? The Ministry of Finance, right option is B. Next question, which deficit has the maximum contribution in the total deficit of the budget of the government of India? Fiscal deficit has the largest contribution in the total deficit of the budget of the government of India. So right option is C, fiscal deficit. Next question, according to the budget estimate 2022-23, the biggest sources of income of the central government from taxes is? According to the budget estimate, the sequence of sources of tax income of the central government is as goods and services tax, then corporation tax, then income tax, then central excise duty, then custom duty. So right option is A, goods and services tax, then corporation tax. Next question, who introduced tax on income in India? Income tax in India was started by Sir James Wilson on July 24, 1860. It was a tax that was levied on the selected rich royal families and British citizens. So right option is C, James Wilson. Next question, which of the following can be considered as public investment in agriculture in India? Computerization of primary agricultural credit society, yes. Computerization of social agricultural credit societies, yes. That means agricultural credit societies. Setting up of cold storage facilities by governments, right option will be E, more than one. Next question, consider the following statements. The aim of the nationwide soil health card scheme is to expand irrigated cultivable area, no. To enable banks to access the quantum of credit to be given to farmers on the basis of soil quality, no. preventing overuse of fertilizers in agricultural land. So right option, right statement is 3 and right option will be 3 only, B. Next question, the basis of determination of dearness allowances of the employees in India is Consumer Price Index. Right option is B, CPI. Next question, Sensex is the popular index of the Bombay Stock Exchange BSE. It is measured by the how many blue chip companies listed in BSE? 30. Right option is B. Next question, in which year was the first regional rural bank established? In 1975. Right option is D. For the first time in the country on 2nd October 1975, 5 regional rural banks were established. These are Muradabad in UP, Gorakhpur in UP, Bhiwani in Haryana, Jaipur in Rajasthan, and Malda in West Bengal. Next question, in terms of human development, the best performer in Asian country is South Korea. Right option is C. Next question, the budget allocation for the MG Narega in the financial year 2022 to 23 is 73,000 crore. Right option is D. Next question, according to 2021-22, with which country did India have maximum trade? तो सबसे ज़्यादा जो ट्रेड हुआ यूएसए के साथ हुआ, फर्स्ट पे ये था, सेकंड पे चाइना था, थर्ड पे यूएई था, थर्ड। राइट ऑप्शन सी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इम्पोर्ट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम। तो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्ट जो हुआ वो चाइना से, उसके बाद यूएसए से, सेकंड पे यूएसए रहा, फर्स्ट पे चाइना रहा, थर्ड पे यूएई रहा, और फोर्थ पे सऊदी अरबिया रहा। सो राइट ऑप्शन डी होगा, सॉरी डी नहीं, ए फ्रॉम चाइना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टू विच कंट्री डिड इंडिया एक्सपोर्ट द मैक्सिमम स्टील इन 2020 to 21? चाइना को सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपोर्ट हुआ स्टील का। राइट ऑप्शन सी है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट टी एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्री इज केन्या। केन्या, उसके बाद में चाइना है, उसके बाद श्रीलंका, थर्ड पे श्रीलंका है, एंड फोर्थ पे इंडिया है। राइट ऑप्शन सी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच स्टेट हैज़ द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ अप्रूव्ड एंड फंक्शनल स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स इन टिल मार्च 2022? सबसे ज़्यादा जो सेज है वो तमिलनाडु फर्स्ट, सेकेंड जो है तेलंगाना, और थर्ड पोजीशन पे है महाराष्ट्र। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट है द हाईएस्ट फॉरेन टूरिस्ट विजिट्स? तो सबसे ज़्यादा फॉरेन टूरिस्ट का अराइवल हुआ था महाराष्ट्र में, उसके बाद में तमिलनाडु में, उसके बाद यूपी एंड देन दिल्ली। सो राइट ऑप्शन सी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ। तो बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट मीन्स डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑल मॉनेटरी इनफ्लो एंड आउटफ्लो। इसमें विजुअल बिजनेसेस भी आते हैं, इनविजुअल बिजनेसेस भी आते हैं, डेट भी आता है। सो राइट ऑप्शन ई हो जाएगा, मोर देन 1। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द कंट्री विथ द हाईएस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट इन इंडिया इन द ईयर 2021 to 2022? सिंगापुर से ज़्यादा एफडीआई आया, सबसे ज़्यादा सिंगापुर से आया एफडीआई, उसके बाद यूएसए, देन मॉरिशस से। फर्स्ट पे सिंगापुर रहा, सेकेंड रहा यूएसए, थर्ड पे रहा मॉरिशस। राइट ऑप्शन बी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी मेंबर कंट्रीज आर देयर इन द वर्ल्ड बैंक? 189। राइट ऑप्शन इज सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द कंट्री विच इज नॉट ए मेंबर ऑफ सार्क। तो मॉरिशस सार्क का मेंबर नहीं है, मालदीव है, अफगानिस्तान है, भूटान है। सार्क के 8 मेंबर्स हैं। कौन कौन से? इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका, मालदीव्स, बांग्लादेश, नेपाल, भूटान एंड अफगानिस्तान। सार्क कब इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था? ये 8 दिसंबर 1985 को इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स स्टार्टेड द ई राशन कार्ड सर्विस फर्स्ट? Delhi. Right option is D. Next question, which of the following is the finest quality of coal? एंथ्रासाइट है ये। ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें मोर देन 85% कार्बन पाया जाता है। सो राइट ऑप्शन इज ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द कंट्री विथ द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट कैशलेस इकोनॉमी इज स्वीडन। राइट ऑप्शन इज बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, consider the following statements. The impact of the devaluation of a currency is that is essentially increase the competitiveness of domestic export in foreign markets. Yes, ये essentially ये होगा, क्योंकि यदि करेंसी का डिवेल्यूएशन होता है तो एक्सपोर्ट जो है वो सस्ता हो जाता है। सो इसलिए ये स्टेटमेंट सही है। इंक्रीजेज द फॉरेन वैल्यू ऑफ द डोमेस्टिक करेंसी। नो, फॉरेन वैल्यू ऑफ डोमेस्टिक करेंसी इंक्रीज नहीं होगा, डिक्रीज होगा। इम्प्रूव्स ट्रेड बैलेंस, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ट्रेड बैलेंस इंप्रूव होगा, क्योंकि फॉर एग्जांपल हम समझ सकते हैं कि अपनी पेट्रोलियम नीड का इंडिया मोर देन 80% इम्पोर्ट करता है। तो यदि करेंसी का डिवैल्यूएशन होता है तो इम्पोर्ट महंगे हो जाएंगे, इसलिए हम नहीं कह सकते हैं ट्रेड बैलेंस जो होगा वो इम्प्रूव होगा। तो इसमें से 3 गलत है। इसेंशियली ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है। 1 सही है। सो 1 ओनली राइट ऑप्शन ए होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इको मार्क इज गिवन टू दोज इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स विच इज फ्रेंडली टू द इन्वायरमेंट। राइट ऑप्शन इज सी। Eco mark is given to those Indian products which are completely environment friendly. It was started from the year 1991. Its logo is an earthen pot. Next question, which state of India had negative population growth between 2001 to 2011? Nagaland. Right option is D. According to 2011 census, 2001 से 2011 के बीच में नागालैंड का पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ -0.6% था, नेगेटिव। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अकॉर्डिंग टू दी 2011 सेंसस विच स्टेट हैज़ द हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज ऑफ क्रिश्चियन इन द टोटल पॉपुलेशन? ऐसे देखा जाए तो क्रिश्चियन पॉपुलेशन मेघालय में भी ज़्यादा है, नागालैंड में भी ज़्यादा है और मिजोरम में भी। ये तीनों ही स्टेट में मेजोरिटी में है। नागालैंड में 87.93% क्रिश्चियन पॉपुलेशन है, नागालैंड में 87.93%। मेघालय में कितना है? मेघालय में 74.59%। मेघालय में 74.59%। और मिजोरम में कितना है? मिजोरम में 87.16% क्रिश्चियन पॉपुलेशन है। वहाँ के टोटल पॉपुलेशन का 87.16% क्रिश्चियन रिलीजन को फॉलो करने वाले लोग हैं। तो सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ हो गया? नागालैंड में। राइट ऑप्शन बी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मोस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्री ऑफ द अफ्रीकन कंटिनेंट नाइजीरिया है। राइट ऑप्शन बी है। एक एस्टिमेट के अकॉर्डिंग 2050 तक नाइजीरिया जो है, नाइजीरिया का पॉपुलेशन इंडिया चाइना के बाद 3rd पोजीशन पे आ जाएगी। 3rd लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्री हो जाएगा नाइजीरिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज़ द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट मेजर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ ऑफ ए कंट्री पर कैपिटा प्रोडक्ट? राइट ऑप्शन इज डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्टर्स कंट्रीब्यूट्स द मोस्ट टू द सेविंग इन इंडिया? डोमेस्टिक सेक्टर सबसे ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट करता है सेविंग में। राइट ऑप्शन सी होगा। अकॉर्डिंग टू द इकोनॉमिक रिव्यू 2021 to 22, द डोमेस्टिक सेक्टर हैज़ द मैक्सिमम कंट्रीब्यूशन इन ग्रॉस सेविंग्स। ग्रॉस सेविंग में मैक्सिमम कंट्रीब्यूशन डोमेस्टिक सेक्टर का है, उसके बाद में कॉरपोरेट सेक्टर का है, कॉरपोरेशन सेक्टर का, उसके बाद में पब्लिक सेक्टर का है। सो राइट ऑप्शन सी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट ए सपोर्टर ऑफ द आइडिया ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव एग्रीकल्चर इन इंडिया? चौधरी चरण सिंह। राइट ऑप्शन इज सी। चौधरी चरण सिंह अपोज द सोवियत स्टाइल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ नेहरू। He was of the view that the cooperative form could not be successful in India. Therefore, Charan Singh is not considered a supporter of cooperative agriculture in India. Next question. What is the minimum support price of wheat fixed by the government in 2022 to 23? 2125 rupees per quintal. Right option is A. Next question. Which of the following does not contribute to the rural economy? एनिमल हस्बेंड्री ये कंट्रीब्यूट करता है रूरल इकोनॉमी में, कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री भी करता है, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ गुड इक्विपमेंट ये भी करता है, लेकिन द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ प्राइवेट मनी लेंडिंग ये कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करता है. राइट ऑप्शन इज सी. Animal husbandry, cottage industry, and availability of good equipment contribute mainly to the rural economy. There is a practice of private money lending in the villages, but its contribution to the rural economy is limited. Next question. Where is the first rubber tire based metro being built in India? तो महाराष्ट्र के नासिक में. राइट ऑप्शन डी होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्री includes those industries are called genetic industries which are involved in the breeding and growth of certain species of plants and animals for the purpose of sale. The main objective of such an industry is to earn profit from the sale. Examples: plant nursery, animal husbandry, poultry, etc. So right option will be E. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 75. ऑयल इंडिया लिमिटेड, दैट मीन्स OIL, इज ए पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग विच इज इंगेज्ड इन. Oil India Limited is a public sector undertaking which is engaged in exploration, development and production of oil and natural gas and oil transportation. So right option will be E. Next question. A group of stars arranged in a definite shape is called nakshatra. Right option will be B. Next question. Which of the following is responsible for the orange and red colors at sunset and sunrise? Solid particles present in the atmosphere. Right option will be D. Solid particle जो एटमॉस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट होते हैं उससे लाइट स्कैटर करता है, लाइट की स्कैटरिंग होती है. चूँकि ड्यूरिंग सनसेट एंड सनराइज लाइट लार्ज डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करके आती है, और चूँकि रेड कलर का वेवलेंथ जो होता है सबसे ज़्यादा होता है, इसलिए लार्ज डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करके वो पहुंच जाती है और स्काई रेड कलर का दिखाई देता है. रेड कलर अपीयर होता है वहाँ पे. तो सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स के प्रेजेंस की वजह से ही ऐसा हो पाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द थिकनेस ऑफ द ट्रोपोस्फेयर इज मोर एट इक्वेटर. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी. थिकनेस जो होता है ट्रोपोस्फेयर का वो पोल पे अप्रॉक्स 8 किलोमीटर होता है, जबकि इक्वेटर के पास अप्रॉक्स 18 किलोमीटर होता है. इक्वेटर के पास 18 किलोमीटर होने का कारण ये है, मतलब ज़्यादा हाइट होने का कारण ये है कि यहाँ पे सोलर रेडिएशन डायरेक्ट फॉल करता है, और सोलर रेडिएशन डायरेक्ट फॉल करने की वजह से टेम्परेचर हाई होता है. टेम्परेचर हाई होने से एयर के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है ऊपर राइज करते हैं, राइज करने से ये ज़्यादा हाइट तक जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ट्रोपोस्फेयर का थिकनेस जो हो एक इक्वेटर के पास में ज़्यादा होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द मेट्रोइड्स इंटरिंग द स्पेस बर्न in which of the following layers? In mesosphere. Right option will be A. Next question. The axis of rotation of the earth makes an angle of approx. The earth's axis of rotation makes an angle of about 66.5 degree with the plane of its orbit around the sun. Right option will be A, 66.5 degree. Next question. How many time zones are there in Russia? 11. Right option will be C. In different countries, the time is not according to any strict rule. Rather, it is determined according to the convenience of the people. France has the largest number of time zones in the world with 12 time zones. There are 9 time zones in America and 11 in Russia. Next question. The international date line passes through Pacific Ocean. Right option will be E. The international date line is an imaginary line that crosses the Pacific Ocean. When the international date line is crossed, the date is shifted by 1 day. Travelers crossing the international date line from west to east gain a day, while those traveling from east to west lose a day. Next question. In what form does the earth receive the sun's radiation heat? in the form of short waves. Right option will be A. Earth receives the sun's radiation in the form of electromagnetic short waves. During the day, Earth absorbs short wave radiation and reflects it back into space at night in the form of long wave radiation, mainly infrared radiation. Next question, through which of the following countries the equator does not pass? The equator passes through a total of 13 countries. Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Sao Tome, Gabon, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Maldives, Indonesia, and Kiribati. Equator passes through Gabon and Somalia, but not through Guinea and Rwanda. Does not passes through Guinea and Rwanda. So right option will be 3 and 4. None of the above. E. Next question, which of the following events would have influenced the evolution of organism? Both continental drift and glacial cycle. Right option will be C, both 1 and 2. Next question, which of the following is our active volcano? Cotopaxi, Etna and Fujiyama are active volcanoes. Cotopaxi, Fujiyama, Etna. Aconcagua is of volcanic origin, but it is not itself an active volcano. So 2, 3 and 4, right option will be E, none of the above. Cotopaxi is located in Ecuador on the continent of South America. Etna in Mediterranean Sea on the east coast of Sicily, and Fujiyama in Japan. Next question, a desert is defined as an area where annual rainfall is less than 25 centimeter. Right option will be C. Next question, according to the International Agreement on Agriculture, which financial assistance is included in the green box? According to the International Agreement of Agriculture, financial assistance is given for research, pest and disease control in relation to plant protection, service training, auxiliary services and extension, inspection services, marketing and its promotion service in green box. So 1, agricultural research and plant protection. Right option will be 1 and 4, D. Next question, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Prairies in North America, yes. Pampas is in South America, yes. The steppe is in Europe, yes. Veld is in Australia, no. Veld is in South Africa. So D is not correctly matched. So right option will be D. Next question, the Rio Grande River forms the boundary of. The Rio Grande River separates the southern border of the United States of America from Mexico. So right option will be B, between Mexico and the United States of America. Next question, who among the following reviews independent regulators in sectors like telecom, insurance, power, etc. in India? Ad hoc committee set up by the parliament, yes. Parliamentary department related standing committees, yes. Finance commission, no. Financial sector legislative reform commission, no. Niti Aayog, no. Only 1 and 2. 1 and 2, right option will be A. Next question, what is the datum line? Datum line is that horizontal line with the help of which the heights and depths of the sea level are measured. So right option will be A, the horizontal line of the sea level from which height and depth are measured. A. Next question, Mahabeli Ganga is a river of Sri Lanka. Right option will be C. Next question, delta is formed at those places where there is or no deep sea. Right option will be D. Where the river meets the sea, the delta formation will be more affected if the sea is deep. However, several conditions act together to form the delta. Next question, origin of tea is associated with China. Right option will be D. Next question, which is the largest island of the Japan? Japan is mainly a group of 4 islands, Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Honshu is the largest of the above four islands. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is located on these islands. So, right option will be D. Honshu. Next question. What is the correct sequence of the Great Lakes of the United States from east to west? The sequence of Great Lakes located on the border of USA and Canada, Michigan only in US. From east to west is as Ontario, Erie, Huron, Michigan, then Superior. So right option will be C. Ontario, Erie, Huron, Michigan, and Superior. Next question. How much has the sea distance between the India and Europe decreased after the Suez Canal was built? After the construction of Suez Canal, the sea distance between India and Europe has decreased by 7,000 kilometers. Before the construction of the Suez Canal, Europeans had to come to India via the Cape of Good Hope route via the west coast of Africa to reach India. Significantly, sea traffic from Suez Canal started in 1869. So right option will be B, 7,000 kilometers. Next question. Which of the following is correct in matching the layers of the atmosphere with the characteristics? All meteorological phenomenon associated with related to troposphere. Yes. Ozone layer is in stratosphere. Yes. Radio waves reflected towards the Earth's surface from ionosphere. Yes. Dhruv Jyoti, pole light. Pole light is not associated with middle circle. It is associated with ionosphere. So, 4 statement is wrong. 1, 2, and 3. Right option will be C. 1, 2, and 3. Next question. Pong Dam has been built on river Beas. Right option will be B. The Pong Dam was built in the year 1975 on the river Beas. It is also known as Pong Reservoir or Maharana Pratap Sagar. In the year 1983, the entire reservoir was declared a wildlife sanctuary by the government of Himachal Pradesh. In the year 1994, the government of India declared it a wetland of national importance. Pong Dam Lake was declared as a Ramsar site in November 2002. Next question. Which state are involved in the Kaveri water dispute? 3 states, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, and 1 union territory, Puducherry, are involved in the Kaveri water dispute. The Kaveri water disputes tribunal was constituted by the central government in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 4 of the Interstate River Water Disputes Act 1956. So right option will be E, more than 1. Next question. The highest mountain peak in Tamil Nadu is Doda Beta. Right option will be A. The highest mountain peak of Tamil Nadu is Doda Beta, which is the peak of the Nilgiris mountains. Apart from Tamil Nadu, some part of this mountain also comes in Karnataka and Kerala. The height of Doda Beta is 2,637 meters. Next question. The reason for the formation of the islands of the Lakshadweep is sea rock formation. Right option will be D. There is an organism called coral polyps. Together with an algae, they form a rock-like structure of calcium carbonate, which is called a coral reef. Lakshadweep is also a form of this marine rock formation. Next question. Which river divides the southern plateau region into 2 parts? Narmada. Right option will be B. Narmada River divides the southern plateau region into 2 parts. The origin of the Narmada River is the peak of Amarkantak, which is on the Maekal mountain. It is the largest river of peninsular India falling into the Arabian Sea. The Narmada River passes through the Rift Valley. Dhulandhar Fall is on this river. It forms an estuary before falling into the bay. The tributaries of the river Narmada are Tawa, Halan, Banjar, Barna, etc. Next question. The largest reserves of coal in India are located in the valley of Damodar. Right option will be D. The largest reserve of coal is located in Damodar River Valley. About 3/4 of the coal deposits are in this region. These places are Raniganj, Jharia, Giridih, Bokaro, and Karanpura. Coal in India is mainly found in eastern India. Next question: in which of the following states tank irrigation forms the highest percentage of its total irrigated area? Andhra Pradesh. Right option will be A. Most of the irrigation in Andhra Pradesh is done from the pond. Uh, percentage contribution percentage contribution in irrigation through canal 40%, through well 37.8%, through tank 14.5%, and through others 7.7%. Next question: which is the longest river of South India? Godavari. Right option will be C. The Godavari river system is the largest river system of peninsular India. It is also called the Ganges of the South. Its length is 1465 km. It originates from Trambakeshwar near Nasik in Maharashtra and flows into the Bay of Bengal. Next question: in which of these cities the first steel plant was established? Jamshedpur. In 1907 by Jamshedji Tata. Right option will be C. Next question: which of the following lake is artificial? Dal Lake is natural lake, Chilka natural, uh, Naukuchia Tal natural, Jaisamand is an artificial lake. Right option will be C. Jaisamand Lake is a huge reservoir located in the southeast of the Aravalli Range in the south central Rajasthan state of northwestern India. It is the second largest artificial lake in Asia. Next question: consider the following high yielding varieties of crops in India: Arjun, Jaya, Padma, Sonalika. Which of these are varieties of wheat? Sonalika and Arjun are varieties of wheat. Arjun and Sonalika, varieties of wheat, while Jaya and Padma are of rice. So right option will be 1 and 4, C. Next question: what separates Daman and Diu? Daman and Diu are separated from each other by the Gulf of Khambat. Right option will be B, Gulf of Khambat. Next question: Hajipur is situated on the bank of both Ganga and Gandak. Right option will be E, more than one. Next question: which of the following clouds is responsible for very heavy rainfall? Cotton rain. Right option will be B. Cotton rain clouds are more extensive and deeper clouds because their vertical height is more. With them, there is a high possibility of rain, lightning, in which there is a very intense rain in a short time. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: एयर प्रेशर इज लोवेस्ट इन. द एयर प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर के बीच इन्वर्स रिलेशन होता है. जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर हाई वहाँ पे प्रेशर लो, जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर लो वहाँ पे प्रेशर हाई. तो प्रेशर लोवेस्ट कहाँ होगा, कब होगा? इन समर सीजन. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: द लार्जेस्ट लिग्नाइट डिपॉजिट इन इंडिया इज इन नेवेली ऑफ तमिलनाडु. Right option will be B. Lignite coal is found in the largest quantity in India in Neyveli region of Tamil Nadu. Lignite is a low-grade coal. Among the varieties of coal, anthracite is considered to be the best quality coal, which is found in Kashmir. Next question: which river cuts the equator twice? Congo or Zaire river cuts the equator twice. Right option will be B. The Limpopo River crosses the Tropic of Capricorn twice. Mahi River in India cuts the Tropic of Cancer twice. Next question: where is the Girnar Hills located? In Gujarat. Right option will be B. Mount Girnar is located in the city of Junagadh in the state of Gujarat. Girnar is a holy pilgrimage place for Jains. The famous Sanskrit inscription Junagadh inscription of Saka Chhatrap Rudra Daman is inscribed in Girnar. Next question: which one of the following is a north flowing river? Chambal. Right option will be B. Chambal river is a north flowing river. It originates from the Janpav hills near Mau in Madhya Pradesh, which is part of the Vindhya mountain range and joins the Yamuna near Muradabad in Etawah district of Uttar Pradesh. Next question, the boundaries of Arunachal Pradesh touch which of the following countries? Arunachal Pradesh surrounded by Bhutan in the west, Myanmar in the east, China in the north and northeast, and the plains of Assam in the south. So right option will be Bhutan, China and Myanmar, B. Next question, which is the deepest landlocked port? Visakhapatnam. Right option will be B. Next question, which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Select the correct answer from the code given below. Zojila Pass is in Ladakh, yes. Sipkila Pass is in Himachal Pradesh, not in Uttarakhand. Nathula Pass is in Sikkim. Thangla Pass is in Ladakh, not in Himachal Pradesh. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Right option will be E. None of the above. Next question, which of the following states does not have any scheduled tribes? In Punjab, right option will be C. हरियाणा में भी नहीं है, यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ चंडीगढ़ में भी नहीं है, पुडुचेरी में भी नहीं है एंड दिल्ली में भी नहीं है कोई शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब. Next question, in which place of Uttarakhand is the world famous Valley of Flowers located? The Valley of Flowers in the world is located in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. The Nanda Devi National Park and the Valley of Flowers are jointly declared a World Heritage Site. Chamoli district, right option will be B. Next question, Barauni Oil Refinery was established in 1964 with the help of Soviet Union. So right option will be C. Next question, which of the following rivers does have its source near Lake Mansarovar? Indus and Satluj, both. C and D, right option will be E. Next question, in India, the number of states touching the sea coast is 9. Right option will be C. The total number of states touching the sea coast in India is 9. These states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Next, which day is called equinox? March 21st and September 22nd. So right option will be C. Equinox is that condition of the earth when the sun's rays fall vertically on the equator and day and night are equal everywhere. On September 22nd and March 21st, day and night are equal all over the earth. This is called autumn equinox and spring equinox respectively. Next question, select the correct positional sequence of the following hills from the codes given below, increasing from south to north. The correct order of the sequence of hills from south to north is as Satmala Hills of Maharashtra, then Kaimur Hills of Madhya Pradesh and Bihar, Naga Hills of India-Myanmar border, at India-Myanmar border, and then Pir Panjal range of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. So first Satmala Hills, second Kaimur Hills, then Naga Hills, then Pir Panjal range. So right option will be B. 1, 2, 4, 3. Next question, which one of the following rivers does not originate in India? तो सतलज ओरिजिनेट करती है तिब्बत के मानसरोवर लेक के पास से, तो जो इंडिया में नहीं है. रवि, चेनाब एंड ब्यास का ओरिजिनेट, ये तीनों रिवर ओरिजिनेट करती है इंडिया में, इंडिया से ही, लेकिन ये इंडिया के बाहर से ओरिजिनेट करती है. सो राइट ऑप्शन जो होगा ए होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सोर्स ऑफ हॉट वाटर इज एट राजगीर. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी. Next question, which of the following Indian state does not share its border with Bhutan? 4 states share border with Bhutan: Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Meghalaya does not share a border with Bhutan. So right option will be D. Next question, which of the following mountain peaks lies in India? Kamet. Right option will be C. Kamet mountain is the highest mountain peak after Nanda Devi mountain in the Garhwal region of Uttarakhand. Kamet is considered to be the part of the Jaskar range, which lies between the Suru river and the upper Karnali river in the north of the Himalayas. Next question, pre-monsoon rain in West Bengal is called a tree rain, cherry blossom in Karnataka, tea rain and Kal Baisakhi or nor'wester in West Bengal. So right option will be uh, tea rain and Kal Baisakhi E, more than one. Next question, where was the first railway and transport university established? In Barodara. Right option will be A. In 2017, for the first time for the skill and capacity building of human resources, the proposal of the Ministry of Railways to set up the National Rail and Transport University was approved. The National Rail and Transport Institute is India's first and only transport university located in Vadodara, Gujarat. Next question, the steel industry in India requires the import of which of the following? Coking coal. Coking coal. Right option will be C. Coal is the most abundant fossil fuel which meets 55% of India's energy requirement. When coking coal is heated above 600 degrees Celsius in the absence of air, the synthetic substance formed is called coke. It is needed by the iron and steel industry. Next question, which of the following mountain range is not related to Nepal? तो शिवालिक रेंज इंडिया में है एंड अराकान योमा जो है ये म्यांमार में है. सो मोर देन वन हो जाएगा. राइट ऑप्शन ई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हैवलॉक आइलैंड हैज बीन रीनेम्ड एज स्वराज द्वीप. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए. नील आइलैंड एज शहीद आइलैंड एंड रस आइलैंड एज नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस आइलैंड. Next question, the border of Iraq is surrounded by 6 countries: Turkey, Iran, Jordan, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Syria. Right option will be D. Next question, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Faun. Faun जो है आल्प्स माउंटेन रेंज में बहने वाली ये विंड है. मिस्ट्रल जो राइन वैली में बहने वाली विंड है. खमसीन जो है इजिप्ट में बहने वाली विंड है. और ये बोरा जो है पोलैंड में नहीं, पोलैंड तो उधर पड़ता है, नॉर्थ साइड में पड़ता है, नॉर्थ सी के पास में पड़ता है. बोरा जो है ये एड्रियाटिक सी में चलने वाली ये विंड सिस्टम है, विंड पैटर्न है. ये एड्रियाटिक सी कहाँ पे पड़ता है? एड्रियाटिक सी जो है इटली एंड बाल्कन पेनिनसुला के बीच में है. सो करेक्टली मैच्ड कौन सा नहीं है? बी, बोरा पोलैंड, ये करेक्टली मैच्ड नहीं है. सो राइट ऑप्शन बी होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच पोर्ट ऑफ जापान इज नोन एज सिल्क पोर्ट? योकोहामा known as the silk port of Japan. It is a city and port located on the east coast of Japan. It is close to Tokyo. Next question, which of the following river flows from south to north? नील रिवर साउथ टू नॉर्थ फ्लो करती है. राइट ऑप्शन सी होगा. डेन्यूब रिवर जो है ये यूरोप की रिवर है. 10 कंट्री से होकर के फ्लो करती है, 10 कंट्री से होकर के ये फ्लो करती है. बोल्गा रिवर भी यूरोप की है, यूरोप और रसिया से ये फ्लो करते हुए कैस्पियन सी में जाकर के मिल जाती है बोल्गा रिवर. आमूर रिवर जो है ये रसिया के फार ईस्ट एंड चाइना के नॉर्थ ईस्ट की बॉर्डर बनाती है. ये बॉर्डर पे ही ये फ्लो करती है. मतलब रसिया के फार ईस्ट एंड चाइना के नॉर्थ ईस्ट को बॉर्डर बनाते हुए फ्लो करती है आमूर रिवर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मोस्ट एबंडेंट एलिमेंट ऑन द अर्थ क्रस्ट इज सिलिकॉन आफ्टर ऑक्सीजन. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी. Silicon is the second most abundant element on earth after oxygen. And which climate is suitable for rubber cultivation? Equatorial climate. Right option will be A. Rubber plant is basically a crop of equatorial climate. इसके लिए टेम्परेचर 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस चाहिए और रेनफॉल 150 सेंटीमीटर टू 200 सेंटीमीटर चाहिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑन विच रिवर इज द नियाग्रा फॉल्स लोकेटेड? Sant Lawrence. Right option will be C. Niagara Falls is a waterfall located on the border of the United States of America and Canada. This waterfall is located on the St. Lawrence River. Niagara Falls is formed in the Niagara River on the international border between Ontario in Canada and New York State in the US. Next question, which of the following planets is called the morning star? Morning star, evening star, twin sister of Earth, Venus. Right option will be B. Next question, Nepha is old name of Arunachal Pradesh. Right option will be A. Nepha means Northeast Frontier Agency. During the reorganization of the state in the year 1972, the region was given the status of Union Territory and was named Arunachal Pradesh. It was given full statehood in the year 1987. Next question, the problem of soil erosion in India is related to which of the following? Vedika agriculture, deforestation, tropical climate. In the areas of India where deforestation or vegetation has been destroyed, soil erosion is very high. This is because the roots of trees and plants hold the soil, due to which water and wind cause soil erosion. Shifting agriculture destroys forest and erodes soil. Vedika agriculture is not concerned with the problem of soil erosion. Tropical climate is also not responsible for soil erosion. So right option will be deforestation 2 only. B. Next question, which of the following rivers of the Deccan Plateau flows towards the east? Godavari. Right option will be B. The Godavari river system is the largest river system of peninsular India, which originates from the Deccan Plateau and flows towards the east. The Godavari river originates from Trimbakeshwar near Nasik in Maharashtra and falls into the Bay of Bengal. Next question, the Kalahari Desert is situated in? The Kalahari Desert is mainly spread over most of the Botswana and some parts of Namibia, Angola, Zambia and South Africa. So 1, 2 and 4. Right option will be 1, 2 and 4 E, none of the above. Next question, what type of forests are found in the foothills of the Himalayas? Deciduous forest. Right option will be D. Tropical moist deciduous forests are found in the foothills of the Himalayas. These forests are found in the peninsula with high rainfall and in the plains of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. These forests are found in abundance in India. These are also called monsoon forests. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये रहा पटना के परफेक्शन IAS के टेस्ट 5 के इंग्लिश मीडियम के क्वेश्चन का डिस्कशन। आप बने रहिए इस चैनल के साथ। मिलते हैं किसी दूसरे वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच।